Another thing that I'm doing is we're replacing the cigarette lighter with USB. So I have to take this out. I see some clips in here, maybe it looks like it does. I'm just gonna try to push it. Oh, there you go. It does come out. Let's unscrew this. Oh, okay, you have to pull it. Okay, got it. I have one of those light bulbs already. Okay guys, I got the bulb. Let's put it in. All right guys, so I'm gonna try to see if I can find a way to remove this, because we're not gonna reuse it, or we're not gonna use it, not reuse. Don't know how to take it off yet. I'm trying to find out. Okay, I think I figured it out. Take this little thing off, guys. Let's try a 7. Oh, 7 look like it fits. Let's try to take it out. There we go. All right. It's coming apart slowly but surely. I can probably unscrew it. Oh, there we go. You have to unscrew it. There we go. I got it. Okay. Got it, guys. All right. So we're not gonna use the cigarette lighter anymore. We're gonna need something else. I'm waiting for parts from Amazon, and I'll show you what I'm doing, guys. So I bought a USB adapter. These two guys will be connecting to the head unit to USB. So let's see first if it fits. It should, but let's give it a try. Hold on. All right, I have to enlarge this just a little bit, guys, but it's gonna work. I think it's definitely gonna work. So I got my Dremel. Here you go. I'm just gonna route it out on from here a little bit, just enough for it to fit in. There you go, guys. Look how nice this fit in there. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put the retaining screw that comes with the unit. So let's feed it through there. All right, guys, here we go. So we have to cut a little bit of this thing here, just so that the cable can come off properly. All right. Okay, that's not bad. I'm gonna cut a little more. All right, guys, there you go. Right, you don't see anything, cable goes out. Okay, let's go put this in the car now. All right, guys, you already saw what we did here. So now what we're gonna do, all right, guys, after I put the USB stuff, this is just a tad too tall, so I'm gonna shave it off just enough so I can fit it. So guys, I ordered this this adapter. It's in a two-in-one for the antenna. Hopefully this works. If that doesn't work, we'll replace it. So let me check it out. Let me try to install it now. Okay, it's not going to work. I had to try it. All right guys, so the antenna adapter that I bought didn't work, so screw it. The radio works fine enough. So the only other thing I need to do, guys, I can put the radio back into its spot. Okay guys, now let's put the two retaining bolts, those 10 on the top that hold the radio together. Okay, now on the bottom here, guys, there's two more. All right guys, because I customized this thing, so nothing lines up properly, but I think I can put the bolt on. Just a little extra push, guys. Alrighty. These are on. Before we keep going, guys, let me test everything. Alright guys, I just want to make sure the radio is working and everything looks good. Alright guys, everything is working. AC is working, radio is working. Alright, everything looks good, guys. Now, okay guys, now I can put this guy back in. Oh, lovely. Okay, I got one more thing I need to put in, guys. Give me a sec. So guys, since we're not going to be using the cigarette lighter, I'm going to tape these cables so they don't touch each other and cause a blowout, a fuse. Guys, so I just shaved this off a little bit. I'm gonna try to put the this again to see if it fits. All right guys, after multiple try shaving this off, I was able to get it in, looking really nice and lovely. I think I love the way it looks. Let's finally take this thing off, guys. Ready? There you go. Let me turn off the lights. There you go, guys. There you go. I think it looks lovely. This is beautiful. I love the way it looks, guys. All right guys, this is all done. I'm very happy with the final look, guys. Really nice. My boy's gonna love this. Oh my goodness. All right guys, so that is all.